Welcome to my third blog, and today's topic is Slacktivism in online communities. Evgeny Morozov writes the article, From Slacktivism to Activism. He brings about this idea of slacktivism and how we join online communities to feel better and feel like we are making a difference, but in reality, this process leads us to no progress. For instance, Jorgensen, a psychologist who studies how ideas spread online, used Facebook to conduct an experiment in which people could like or share a page to keep a local fountain intact, because authorities were threatening to take it down. Ironically, none of this was ever true or even backed up by evidence, but people just believed him. When the group reached 27,500 members, Jorgensen decided to end the experiment. So there you have it, almost 28,000 people joined a cause that didn't really exist. As far as clouds go, that one was probably an empty one. Jorgensen's study brings about the idea, why do people do this? Why do people like these pages? Morozov, in his article, expands on the topic saying that, quote, on Facebook, we need cultural objects that put together a version of ourselves we want to present to the public, end quote. Next quote is, our digital effort makes us feel very useful and important, but has zero social impact. I agree with both of Morozov's concepts. I feel like with technology today, we feel pressured to look our best all the time and share things or like things that make us look presentable and impressive to the public eye. Hence why Jorgensen's experiment was so successful. Unfortunately, in the online world today, joining equals the end of success. Digital activism doesn't really ever leave a like or a share. Rarely do digital campaigns end up successful because liking an article or sharing a page doesn't donate or help a cause in the way it should. We have this unrealistic assumption that after sharing and liking issues to raise awareness, they are magically solvable, and this is just not true. This issue can be blamed on the idea of social loafing. Social loafing is an explanation as to why a million people working together may be less effective than one person working alone. In this case, people are banding together on the internet to share and like pages, thinking that they are all making a little difference, but in reality, if one person was heading it up and was organized, they would be more successful. Thank you for listening to my third blog on slacktivism and online communities. See you next week.